Hello, Cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. The business is party fried chips.
This is 1 kilogram all-purpose flour, 1.5 tablespoon nutmeg, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon salt. One mixing it together. What the 100 gram butter egumu. Now one mixing it together. Three tablespoons blended onion. 1 cup water, but the begum a little at a time. One mix it amana for me do. All ingredients are rated in the description box below. What the description box now? Ingredients in there. Ewo. We just work for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, now we really, no we chicha. What machine we be bet me a day, use. Wakati now with the flanny be a go we be boa e ma ne nkeka e moso. Now the akogu utray so train so say the fly den so. Say na we first one sanso na be ni nyina ekosita mede ebesa. Please, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. We are not quite sure medium hot oil, but time be our one than said the enche. Then in now see then ever been pay. Make much send the kind out share me video. Make my rain subscribe. Now I share. Now I like. No me a notification bell no. Send me the video pia beto wa side dem. Ebeka. Abeng na we ye es in chain. Na wa ye ni aka no kosita ma no so ye den ebesa.
One manager asa na wa package. Nti we wo ye opata obetimi aye your personal business. The way na me taste it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this our party fried chips. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.